on with boots full of water.
Don't mind.
Does it go anywhere?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, now I'm full of water. Alright. Oh, now my boots full of water. Oh my god. Yeah, it's this deep. Look at my legs.
Other one's fucking frozen. Oh, it's swimming. I can't get it out now. Don't be there for the rest of the trip.
Next time we stop, sit down and put your foot over your head. Is that about the last? At least you got a ledge. Oh my god, what the hell is up?
Stick to the real edges.
Not really an edge either.
You're driving into a pond right now.
Yep, it's getting deep. I see the edge though, or the end.
Oh, do you? Alright, okay.
I just stop them from time to time to make sure I don't drown. Whoa, it gets deep right there. I'm off the edge. Yeah, try your best to stick towards the edge. It's not too bad. I'm pretty well further out. Yeah, I'm pretty. It's only up to your knees. Don't worry about it. Oh, I missed that good rock. Let me get some more water. Oh, nothing. Baby, come back. So now we're on the right trail?
No, it's just probably like 50%. But you can road. I think it's a muddy spot.
What the hell? Oh my god.
Well, there is a trail here. That one. Let's go check it out. Might be beautiful. Oh, look, there's a trail right there.
Yeah. That's going the wrong direction though, if we're trying to go this way.
That's always bad for coming.
They haven't got to it yet.
Another trail. I'm thinking we can opt for this one. But should we check it out? Or go? You hear me? You got your insurance papers?
No, I don't.
What do you think?
I think just keep going for a little bit and see what we're dealing with. Maybe there's another trail farther down. This one looks
That
like...
actually does look like a real trail though. It's like real trail off there.
Yeah, we'll just see what we got. We don't have to go all the way down. You can see from up there, I'm sure. let's put big rocks in the middle. Man, this is growing in.
Maybe got in the fucking bill.
I'm getting smacked in the face so crazy. Stupid hump in the middle.
I know, stupid hump. Every time you go up, you slide down.
These. At least there's a bank. Nope. Ah! You sprayed me. You got my feet wet again because you stopped.